everyone, welcome to my Google My Maps. Now this is my first experience making one of these, but it was pretty cool. So I chose to do my map on my experience with education, whether it be actually attending a school or working at one. So to start off, I'm not quite sure what the name of my kindergarten was, so I chose to leave that off the list. But when I turned about, I think I was 5, turning 6 years old, we moved to San Dimas, California, and I attended Shoal Elementary School, and I did attend the school from 1st to 5th grade. But after that, I actually went to kind of small Ramona Middle School located in Laverne, California. I did attend that school from 6th to 8th grade. After that, I went to Bonita High School in Laverne. Stayed pretty close from 1st to 12th grade within the same 2 cities. Great experience. Really loved the schools that I went to. I had a very good experience at all 3 schools. After I graduated from high school, I actually went to Mount Sac, where I earned my transfer degree. I just got all my general eds done there, and that was a pretty good experience as well. From there, I transferred to Cal State Fullerton, where I earned my bachelor's degree in English. I was there for about 2.5 years. I actually changed my major from liberal studies to English after my first semester there. I'm really glad I did. And then from there, after I graduated from Cal State Fullerton, I ended up here at Laverne, and I am really, really enjoying my experience there. All my classes have been great. Now, that is my first section of my personal experience with school. But for my career, I started off at the Chaffee Joint Union High School District, kind of out of the blue. Never expected to go into education, but here I am, and I really love it. So I became a classified substitute. I subbed in the 8 different high schools in this district as either a one-on-one aide, an instructional assistant. I subbed in the nurse's office as a clerk. I also subbed in the front office. Really good experience, and part of what made me decide to go into teaching. So my first official permanent job was actually at Montclair High School. I was a one-on-one aide for a student with disabilities. This was not the longest position just because the student wasn't going to be staying at the school for too long, so I was there for a few months. It was a good experience there too, but after I left there, I actually went to Colony High School. So this is where I actually started off as a one-on-one aide there as well. And then eventually I worked my way up to becoming an instructional assistant. So I was an aide for the whole classroom rather than just one student. And prior to going to Colony or working at Colony, I was working in moderate severe special ed classes rather than mild to moderate. And when I got to Colony and was working as an instructional assistant, that's when I was working as a mild to moderate assistant, and I really fell in love with the content that was present in those classes. And Colony is really special to me because I did work there for quite some time before getting my first teaching position, and this school year has definitely been quite the experience, but I've really enjoyed it. So where I will go from here, I'm not sure. If I stay at Colony, I will be very happy, but this is my Google My Map.